I'll guide you through checking the real battery health of your iPhone. If you're curious about your battery's condition or want to know if it's time for a replacement, stay tuned. Step 1. Check battery health and settings. The simplest way to assess your iPhone's battery health is through the settings. Launch Settings. Scroll down and tap Battery. Next, select Battery Health and Charging. Here, you'll find the maximum capacity percentage, which indicates the battery's capacity compared to when it was new. Explain the limitation. However, it's important to note that this percentage provides only a general overview. While it's helpful, it doesn't offer a comprehensive picture, such as the number of charge cycles your battery has undergone. Step 2. Use analytics data. For a more in-depth analysis, you can access your iPhone's analytics data to gain further insights into your battery's health. Open Settings, then navigate to Privacy and Security. Scroll down and tap Analytics and Improvements. Tap Analytics Data and search for files named Log Aggregated. Open the most recent file and search for battery cycle count. This data reveals the number of charge cycles your battery has completed,